Welcome to the Smart Factory. I'm very happy that you are interested in the smart dispensing of tools from drawer cabinets. In this video, I show our locked tool cabinet where access to tools is only allowed through our app. The locked cabinet protects your stock tools from uncontrolled access and at the same time ensures the availability of the tools when they are really needed. For the stocking of tool components, tool manufacturers and tool suppliers have been offering tool cabinets equipped with an integrated computer and touchscreen for some time. Apart from a few other disadvantages, the high purchase costs are a major drawback. After a few years, you also incur high follow-up costs with this cabinet concept, as the installed computer and operating system must be replaced after a few years. We have addressed this problem and developed an innovative, smart, and cost-effective solution that allows you to open drawer cabinets simply with an app and a tablet computer. For this purpose, the tool cabinet is equipped with a control unit, and through this, it is integrated into the network. With the Evo Tools app, you can then use a mobile device to control the removal of tools from the tool cabinet. I'm about to show you how easy the app is used on a tablet computer. You are probably familiar with this. You are looking for something and exactly what you are looking for is missing at that moment. With reliable digital monitoring of your tool stocks, this would not have happened to you. Thanks to the locked drawers of the smart tool cabinet, it is ensured that a tool can only be removed from the cabinet after authentication through the employee in the app. I will now show you how this works. I have already logged into the Evo Tools app, and now I select the tool that I want to remove. When taking out the tool, I am asked to specify the cost center or machine for which I want to remove the tool. After selecting the desired tool, only the drawer containing the required tool is unlocked. The illuminated LED on the tool cabinet also visually indicates the right drawer. With the smart tool cabinets, which you can set up anywhere in the production area, the number of missing tools is reduced to 0, because the removal process is automatically recorded digitally. We and the suppliers of your tools can put such a tool dispenser into fully functional operation at your premises within 1 working day. You don't believe it? We can prove it to you. As you have seen, the first step towards the smart factory is easier and faster than you might have suspected. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your interest and curiosity. If you would like to learn more about our smart tool management via an app or the many other possibilities of digitalization, simply get in touch with us. Give us a call or send us an email. We are happy to inspire you, your employees, and colleagues for the world of digitalized production. See you.